just started scanning and I went like this. Nothing but tail feathers, 80 yards. Right over in here.
Okay, I see it.
He's gonna come back to one. Just relax.
Okay. I'm good. Wish I could freaking see.
He's gonna come right back to him, baby. Just wait.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that kills me. He's so close and I can't do anything.
Just breathe.
Yeah.
Doing good.
Thank you. The hens are still in front of us.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Just relax. Alright, baby. What do you need to do?
I have no angle. I can't.
Are you good? Are you good? Hey, tell me when you're good before you shoot.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm gonna make him put his head up, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah! Good job, babe. Good job, Shelby. Nice shot. Here, take that, hold that.
Okay.
Well done. Flopped him.
Did you see that hen flying?
Yeah,
I
she took
scared her
off.
so bad
Yeah.
she jumped. Let's go!
Nice.
9 months pregnant. Okay, yeah. I gotta call Dad.
Hold on.
Oh my goodness gracious.
What just happened?
We just got him. I
8,
still see the two hens.
8 months pregnant. Dropped a big boy.
Oh,
Oh, we watched him for about an hour and a half before we finally. Good job.
thank
Good
you.
job.
Thanks.
We had to set up a tent, a pregnancy tent, so that we could hide in here. Whew. All right, we'll go grab them in just a second.
Let's go! Rocked him!
I can't see.
I can't zoom. How do I zoom?
Oh, I see something black out there, but that's probably your decoy.
Smoked them.
Smoked him. Oops, I muted him. Whew.
How are you? How
We're
are you doing?
good. We're
Did it hurt?
no. It got. I had
My
a
granddaughter.
good. He had two hens with her, and these hens, like, goodness, we watched him for like an hour and a half, just strutting way back in that.
Came in at such an angle she never got a shot, and now he's 10 yards or less in our decoy circling him, and she can't even see him because our decoy's off to our right.
Because where we have this, our decoys are right there. And I'm sitting back here, and I can only see straight. So I'm like, I know he's right there. Decoys. So yeah, he circled. He would go.
Bonnie and Clyde earned their names today.
And then.
Oh, mangled.
Yeah. Oh, look at his head, Dad. I destroyed it. Blood.
Nice. Yeah, lots of feathers there too. It looks like you got a pretty good beard. That's a pretty big beard. I want to see it.
You see?
Yeah, there it is.
About 25 yards from the blind.
Ooh, I definitely did get his breast a little.
You know what they don't tell you about taking your 8th-month pregnant wife out turkey hunting is you get to carry everything back to the car. Everything that you had to take to make her comfortable. Shooting stick, water, blanket. She's already at the car, and I'm taking my 3rd trip. So that's how it's going for me.